Okay, what we're going to do here is create an opportunity onto Salesforce. So rather than converting a lead into an opportunity, we'll create an opportunity directly. So from the home page, you want to click on the Opportunities tab at the top. Now with the little down icon, you can select New Opportunity from there, or you can come across to New Opportunity in the top right hand corner. Now this is the information you've got to fill out. The only info that's really required is the account name, the opportunity name, the actual close date and the stage, and what you sort of forecast it to be. So for this, I'll put in big life, and the opportunity name, and opportunity. Then you can select the close date, so whenever you want that opportunity to be converted by, and the stage it's currently at. So for this, we'll put qualification, put this in, automatically fills that out for you. So from there you can put in any other information. So if you know what lead it's come from, if there was a particular campaign, then you can fill that in. But really it's as simple as that.